Hey, NC Trailers fans, it's Chancy here at the Thomasville lot, and I've got a couple of trailers that are being marked down today. One I'm particularly familiar with. It was actually our motorcycle display trailer for a little while, so that one's getting marked down. Let's take a look at some of those features real quick. This one's got a 2 5/16 coupler, standard top line jack. It's a little on the tall side. This one's 7-foot interior height, with the RV style handle and a bar lock. Keep those bikes protected. This one's just got the standard steel rims on it, but it can be upgraded to some mag rims. Semi-screwless exterior. This one's got RTP on the ramp for a little bit more grip. Those stab jacks, which are pretty important when loading a bike if there is not a vehicle attached. Let's get up in here so you guys can see. This is E-track to strap those bikes down. Got a D-ring in here. A little bit more E-track up front with a couple of different J-hook options, helmet holder. Really, the sky's the limit with what you can put on E-track. It's a great accessory to have because it gives you an anchor point pretty close together every 1.5 inches or so.